Imagine a car hurtling toward a concrete barrier at 60 miles per hour. The impact is catastrophic. Metal twists and glass shatters everywhere. But then, something impossible happens. The driver unbuckles their seatbelt and simply walks away from the wreckage without a single scratch. This isn't a scene from a superhero movie. It's the real-life story of a family in Connecticut with a miraculous secret. Scientists discovered that these individuals possess a genetic mutation that grants them bones as dense as marble. While most of us fear fractures from a simple fall, their skeletal structures are practically unbreakable. Let's dive into the science of this extraordinary human superpower and how it's changing modern medicine. The journey began when a family member walked away from a severe accident with 0 fractures, leaving doctors baffled. Intrigued, medical researchers performed bone density scans that revealed mass many standard deviations above the norm. Researchers at Yale University began tracing the genetic lineage to find the source of this incredible durability. They identified a specific mutation in a gene known as LRP5, a master regulator of bone growth. In this family, a single glitch in the DNA sequence changed how their bodies manage skeletal development. Instead of the usual balance of building and breaking down bone, their bodies were stuck in high-gear production. To understand why this is so rare, we must look at the microscopic architecture of a typical human bone. Typical bone balances strength with lightness, allowing us to move quickly and efficiently. However, mutated LRP5 bone looks more like solid rock, with almost no internal gaps at all. Think of it like an architectural metaphor, a construction crew that never stops building and never tears anything down. This pathway, known as WNT signaling, is what tells our body to keep the skeleton strong. But this incredible density does come with a strange and somewhat frustrating side effect for the family. They are so heavy that they often can't stay afloat. For them, swimming is more like trying to float a lead weight. While unbreakable bones sound like a genetic gift, the real value lies in what this means for the rest of humanity. Millions of people worldwide suffer from osteoporosis, a condition where bones become dangerously thin and brittle. By studying the LRP5 mutation, scientists have found a genetic blueprint for reversing bone loss. Pharmaceutical companies are now developing revolutionary treatments that mimic this mutation's effects. Imagine a world where a simple therapy could stop fractures before they happen, even in the elderly. We are witnessing a transition from simply treating symptoms to literally rebuilding the human frame. The secrets to curing our greatest ailments are often hidden within the rare variations of our own DNA. By observing these superpowers, we unlock medical potential that was once thought to be pure science fiction. We are moving toward a future where physical fragility is a thing of the past. From the aftermath of a car crash to the labs of tomorrow, the story of unbreakable bones is just the beginning. It is a testament to the resilience of the human body and our never-ending quest for evolution. Stay curious.